I think about you all the time. Think about you all the time. Think about you all the time. Every day. Think about you all the time. Think about you all the time. Think about you all the time. And I can't stop. I love you. I love you. So, what is that? That is a song I just wrote. And I wrote it using the pentatonic scale, and I want to teach you how to write a song using the pentatonic scale. So in the previous lesson, I taught you something where you added fa, something like this, something like that. Right? Can you remember? The beautiful thing about pentatonic improvising is that whenever you improvise, you are writing a song. You just don't know it. So that improvisation, you can put words on it. You and I, we are one. We will never fall apart. Oh, you and I love you. I will never stop. You see that? Oh, you and me. I've changed it. We are one. We will never stop. I'll play for the last time. Oh, you and me. We are one. We will never stop. So just add words to your progression and repeat them, and that's how people write songs.